Welcome to Makeshift Shows with Just Randy. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. If you're returning, thanks for the support. In tonight's video, I'll be demonstrating a follow the winner split bet strategy sent in by Cat's Eye with a K. Cat's Eye says to play the last winner with 1 unit plus that until you win or lose 5 in a row. Then add 9 units to original 5 plus the next 5 as they happen. If I don't win by then, I walk away. Cat's Eye plays a best of 10 and exclaims they always come out on top. When you win, start over with 1 unit. Let's demonstrate. Alright, so we're going to start with 1 unit on the 8-9 split. There we go. And now we're rolling. And let's see what happens. Let's get this. We have a black 6. Alright, so we're going to play the 5-6 split. And we started with 700. So let's see where we can take this and how high we can go before walking away. Alright, so now we have a black 31. So we're going to play the 31-32 split. And alright, so we're playing 5. Alright, so that's 3 so far. And we have a red 21. Alright. So we're going to play the 20-21 split. Okay, one more and then we up bet to 9. Which is a little strange, but we're going to go with it. So we have a 22. Alright, so that's the 22-23 split. And we're going to spin. So this is our 5th roll. Alright. And we have a red 5. Oh, that's a winner. Alright, right off the bat. Oh, okay. Alright, so we made 3 units. Alright, so back to 5-6 split because 5 was the last number rolled. And we have a black 15. And not bad. 14 and 15 split. Okay, so this is our 2nd roll. And we have, we have a red 7. Okay, so 7-8 split. We're staying down here in the 1 through 18s, aren't we? Alright. Alright, we're going to spin again. This is our 3rd roll after the last win. So we have to keep track of that. And we have a red 16. Alright, so we're going to put us a 16-17 split. And we're going to spin again. And we're rolling. And we're rolling. And we have a red 5. Another winner. Alright. Alright, so far so good. Alright, so we got to clear that out and we'll be playing the 5-6 split again. Well, as long as it keeps hitting, right? We're going to keep playing it. And what do we have here? We have, red 3. My favorite number. So we'll play the 2-3 split. And this is our 2nd roll after the last win. Remember, we're going 5. And we, there it is. Red 3. Alright, so we've hit this thing 3 times in a row. Wow. We're up 26 units already. Of course, it don't always fall that right way in roulette, as all of you know. And we have, close to that 0. So we have a 28. So we are going to play the 28-29 split. Alright, let me make Cat's Eye. Cat's Eye says always up and down. On the, we hit a 2. Alright, this is getting ridiculous. But that's alright. We're up 41 units. Right? Yeah, we're up 41 units. Okay, 2-3 split. Alright, we're rolling now. And we have a red 21. Alright. A red 21. And so that's a 20-21 split. And 29. Not sure why. I mean, Cat's Eye always plays up and down. Not sure why, not left to right or in relation to how they are on the wheel. You know, I mean, you could probably play a better chance. 2 again. Oh my goodness. All right, well, we're up 53 units. Excuse me. And now we're playing a 2-3 split. We're not on that 5 no more. All right, we have a red 27. So we're going to play the 26-27. So if we land in the first column, we always split with the second column. If we land in the second column, we always split with the third column. And of course, if you hit the third column, you can only split with the second column. So that last number was a 34, and here we are with a red 30. So, all right. So we're going to put that down, 29.30, and we're going to spin again for our fourth time. And of course, a 0. All right, so we're going to split the 0, double 0, and we're going to roll for our fifth time. All right, what do we got here? We have 13, so that is not a winner. So now, let's go ahead and mark our 13, 14 split, and now we're going to go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're doing is the up bet is 9 units, or $9. So we hit a 5. So if we roll 5 times, 5 losses, we walk away, right? Yeah, walk away, I walk away. Okay, so here we go. And, red 3, boom! Good old Dale. Oh, man, holy cow. All right, 162 units. Whoa, all right. So now we're going to start over. 2-3 split with 1 unit. Jiminy crickets. Oh, what do we got here? We have a black 29. So that's going to be 29.30 split. All right, this is our second roll. And boom, we have a black 26. So that means we'll be 26.27 split. There we go. And a black 35. Okay. What do we have here with a black 35? So it's 35.36 split. And we have a black 24. So all these happen to be up high. If we had some of these lower splits, then that center column could get some double paid. Let's go. What do we got here? We have a black 13. Okay. Not what I was talking about, but okay. So we already had 5. So now we got to up bet to 9. So here we go. So we only get 5 of these spins. 5, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. All right. So we're going to hit that spin button. And we only get 5 of these, and we walk away if we don't hit. And the 0. Oh, my goodness. So now we're adding 9 every time. So we'll go over here, hit our 5. We'll put the ones there so we can show 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to hit a 5 and put on the 0, double 0 and hit spin. All right, this is our second. This is our third spin, right? So, okay, so we're at 16. So we're going to play the 16-17 split, and we're betting 9 units. Ooh, it's kind of hefty. All right, here we go. We're betting 72 units. Man. And we hit a 4. All right, so that means we got to put 9 units on the 4-5 split. Uh-oh. All right, how many have we rolled here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our 9th roll. Oh, man, we got to win this one or the next one, or we walk away with a lot. Oh, there we go. Oh, good old American roulette. We hit that double 0. Wow, there we go. All right. I think we lost money. I think we did. We were up 41 units, and now we're only up 23. Oh, I have to pay better attention to that. Okay, so 22, 23 split, and let me see here, a red 36. So that'll be a 35-36 split. And what do we have here? We have a black 15. So that's a 14-15 split. Man, I have to go back and look at that. That's I think we lost some units there. Maybe 9's not enough when you're losing 3 and 4 in a row. Add 9 units. So that's a 12. So that's 11 and 12. split. Here we go. We're fixing to have to up bet. And let me see here. And we have a 1. So 1-2 split. All right, let's look at this. Okay, so it would be 6. So now we're going to 9. All right, pay attention to this. Sorry, I'm looking. All right, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so that's 54 units bet. And then it will be 64 the next time. Or, yeah, 63. And then 72. Yeah, I think I think 9's not enough if you end up losing 5. But we just won. So it's a moot point there. All right, so we're at 11, 12. And here we go with the greens. All right, so let's get our 1 unit on the green. There we go. And a red 9. All right, so we have 8-9 split. All right, so we're up 110 or 110 units right now. All right, what do we have? We have a red 16. So we're going to be playing the 16-17 split. And here we go. It's 4 and black 10. So 10-11 split. All right, this is what I was talking about. Now, if we could roll this up 11, and then we'd be rolling in some more bank. You know what I'm talking about? And we have a black 17, which, is a winner. So, mute point there. And, all right, very good. All right, so we're going to clear that. And we're going back to a 17-18 split. Man, this thing's been rolling pretty good. Cat's eye, I kind of like this system. I'll have to do some figuring. All right, so we have black 35, so it'll be a 35-36 split. I have to do some more figuring because when you lose 5 in a row, betting 9 units on 5 and then 9 units on 6 and 9 units on all 7, I think we come out, excuse me, I think we lost a pile of money is what I think. All right, what do we have here? So we have a black 15, so we're going to have a 14-15 split. And all right, let's see. We're going to hit spin again on that puppy. And what do we have? Red 27. All right. I think we haven't hit that yet. So we're going to be playing the 26-27 split. Come on, let's get some 1-column splits. And what do we have? A red 32. And that's not going to do it. That's, all right. Now we're moving up to, moving up to 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. All right, here we go. Now we're going to add these 5s, and then we're going to hit spin, and we're going to make a pile of money because we're going to hit it on the first one. I can feel it. Not really, but the chances are the same no matter what. So here we go. So we have a black 9. A 6. Oh, that's a winner. All right. Boom. $162 off $54 bet. I like that. That is fantastic. All right, Cat's Eye, I'm going to say I like your system, but I got to do some more research on it because I got a feeling that we lost a pile of money up betting to 9 and getting to, what was that, 3 losses into the 9 sequence. So I'm going to check that out and maybe modify this into my own system, and we'll go from there. If you like this video, let me know about it in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, I'm back. I figured out what was going on. When you lose 9 in a row, your total bet is going to be $285, and we won at the end of those 9 bets, 162. So that's why we lost a pile of money in the middle of this system. Now, we were lucky enough to make up for it and win 2 and 3 in a row, but it don't always end up like that. So Cat's Eye, we had some more figuring to do in figuring out a better way to play this strategy.